welcome to my channel. So today in this video I'll be making to make a Python program through which you will be able to find the connected Wi-Fi passwords. Say for example you have connected one Wi-Fi in your computer or laptop system and you want to know the password you have forwarded it. So I'll be making a Python program through which you will be able to find out the name as well as the password. You will enter the name and you'll get the password of that Wi-Fi network. So come on, let's move into the video and see how that we can do. So first of all, what we'll do is that we'll open this Visual Studio Code here, and then we'll click on new and type here the name of that file. That will be Wi-Fi underscore PASS password reveal dot py, and then click on enter. Okay, so I made the name of that file as Wi-Fi password reveal.py, and here what I'll do, I'll just take an input with the name. I'll make one variable here with this, which I'll keep the name of the variable as Wi-Fi w name. Okay, name name, Wi-Fi name, and here I'll take an input and I'll type here enter the name of the Wi-Fi network. Okay, so here what I'll doing here is that I'm making one variable with the name w name, and here I'm taking as an input the name of the Wi-Fi network for which you want to find the password. So you can see here that I'm connected to my Wi-Fi, which is Realme 7i. So first what I'll do, I'll import one library which is OS, import OS. Okay, and then I'll type here OS dot system, and in this I'll type the command which will be netsh wlan show profiles name is equal to, and in the curly braces I'll type the name of the variable which I'll be taking an input, that will be w name. Okay, and this will be as an f string, so I'll type here f, and then I'll type key equals to clear. So this will be the simple program. What I have done is that I have taken the library OS as an input, and then I have make one variable which is the name of the variable is w name, and then in that variable I'm taking the input the name of the Wi-Fi, and I'm typing here os.system, that means the name of the system, and here the OS library is doing what is running one command which is the normal cmd command, and I'm doing what here, I'm making one f string, and in that f string I'm putting that variable name, that is w name. So whichever name of the Wi-Fi the user will be inputting, and it will be printed as a key content. So let's see that the program is working or not. So let's run this program. So I've run this program, and here you can see that it's asking for enter the name of the Wi-Fi network. So I'm typing the name of my Wi-Fi network, which is realme underscore 7i. So you can see here, as soon as I have entered the name of that my Wi-Fi network, it has given me all the information, like the profile name, version, WLAN, Wi-Fi name connected automatically, then radio present, CGMA, what type of network, and you can see here that the key content, which is my password, here it has been displayed in the plain text. Okay, so I'm not displaying my password just for security reason. So this is my password, which has been printed on the console in the plain text. So this is just a simple program through which you will be able to make a program through which you can find any Wi-Fi password which has been connected in your network and the key content of that Wi-Fi network. So I hope so that you have liked this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Thank you.